Hello everyone.
Hey.
Welcome back to this week's video. Today we're gonna make Rice Krispie treats. So the first direction. Okay.
Why is it slip? Why is this non-slip? Why isn't it non-slip?
The first direction is to get 3 tablespoons of butter with this. Okay. And melt it in a saucepan on low heat. It's gonna have to be 3. Butter. Does it say what thing we need? Like what pan?
What am I supposed to be looking at?
The box.
Does it have? It has a stretch. Oh.
Yeah.
Butter, 3 tablespoons. Marshmallows, Rice Krispies.
All right. Simple process with 3 ingredients.
Well, we're gonna be using 4 ingredients because we're gonna be putting these in them.
First, stop. Melt the butter.
There it is. The butter's in there, even though you can't see it now. Just trust that nice angled view. Wow. As long as you have storage on your phone.
Yeah.
I couldn't even use my phone because it just told me this morning.
It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Just want to pray.
Why are you like...
Okay, so we're gonna add.
Let's just get some privacy in here first.
This, the whole bag.
The whole bag. 10 whole ounces.
Pop a little hole.
Wow, I did it all by myself. Here we go. Should we start adding them in?
Don't eat them.
Yeah, don't eat them because we need them all.
So, for future reference, for all you people watching, probably just gonna be the 3 of us, but cut the butter before.
The 3 of us?
You, me, and Shayna. Probably sure those are the only people that are gonna watch these videos.
Hey, the last video got 10 views. I mean, at least 2 of them were me, but...
I guess. Alright, pour those suckers in.
Should I wait to add the rest in? Just gonna melt those down a little bit.
What y'all cooking? What are you doing?
I'm focusing the light so that it has better lighting.
That's what it looks like. When that's all melted, we're gonna put in 6 cups of this.
I feel like I look like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo right now.
I look like John Wick.
That's an even higher compliment.
Yeah,
Actually, maybe it's not, because he looks greasy all the time in the last movie.
Just because he's killing people.
He hasn't had a shower in like 2 weeks.
I'm gonna go get some more butter. What's the tea? Chica's here.
She didn't eat anything she's not supposed to today, did she?
No. Got more butter.
They're starting to melt.
You're making Rice Krispie treats?
Yeah.
The enthusiasm, no. Yeah.
Stop, just tossing them.
Are those like healthy ones? Because you're a nutrition major and you're figuring out how to satisfy that desire, but with something that's really healthy, like it's a cauliflower Rice Krispie treat, or instead of marshmallows, you're using carrots. What is it? You're just a drug dealer over there.
This is a long process, but they are starting to get kind of goopy. They want that ASMR. That's what they want. Look at all that health.
So they'll just keep melting.
Yeah, they will. Flip it over like a pancake. A marshmallow pancake.
That'd be kind of good actually. So I'm gonna wipe down our pan with butter. ASMR. All right,
Yeah,
special
we gave her
guest
a bath.
Chica.
There she is.
Okay, bye.
Well, it's becoming mush now, truly.
The pan is buttered.
That's what good pussy sounds like. Welcome back. It's just... Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Look at that.
Oh shit,
Yeah.
you hear
So
that?
getting there. As I said before.
Should we add the Krispies now?
Yeah.
Yep, nice and melted.
So we're doing 6 cups of Rice Krispies. What?
Girl, I don't know.
Okay, that's like almost a cup.
Yeah, whatever. Are we supposed to turn the heat off?
I don't know. Oh, remove from heat. Oh shit. Better move over.
Alright, moving over.
Add the cereal, stir until well coated.
Alright, keep adding.
Okay.
Spilled like the entire cup.
Okay, I'm gonna do it over here. This is okay. Oh, I'm on 4.
Yeah,
right?
but like, this is a lot. Hold on. I don't know about that.
I'm on cleanup detail. Oh no. That wasn't a gag for the video, that was real.
Nope, it's looking good, I think.
Should we add more?
I don't know. No, I think it's good.
Yeah, do you want to add like a little half of this?
Yeah, maybe just a little bit. Oh, they're really sticky.
Yeah. Is this a 13 by 9 by 2 inch pan?
I hope so.
It doesn't look like it, it's a square.
I think that's good, right? Okay. Looks good. Put it in the pan.
Oh yes, here we go.
Oh my god. Scrape the pan. Hold the knife. Alright, the help of the other spatula. Alright. You want a spatula?
Yes, I do. Oh god.
It's fine.
They're gonna be so thin.
Stop moving them.
I'm trying to spread it out through the fucking pan.
Oh my gosh, you're just lifting it all up. Stop, you failed.
Should we add more cereal?
It's too late for that now.
No, it's not too late.
I can fix this. Oh, they're so thin. Ow! Ow! Okay, I think if we just move it like that.
This is why we needed to add more cereal. They're too sticky. We need to add more cereal.
It's too late.
It's never too late.
We can't add the cereal now.
Yeah, we can.
How?
You put it in the pan and then you mix it together. Look at this.
Okay, just add a little more.
Just for the gag. This will help. This sucks, dude. This fucking sucks. This sucks. Okay, now we have to mix together all of the dry cereal on the top.
Wait, that kind of
Wait,
smack.
it goes good.
Hold on. Oh, put more dry cereal.
Oh, now we want to add more.
Just a light sprinkle on the top.
See, this is why we had to listen to the instructions. Whatever. It helped.
Oh god, it's oh no. Oh god, it's game over. It's not really mixing to the rice.
That's unfortunate.
Where are you going?
I'm looking for Chica. Chica. Hi.
Okay, Okay. Oh my god. That's good.
It's fine. Chica. No.
Okay, just lay it down to rest. At this point, it's over.
Just gotta like pack it in with your hands.
Oh, this is never gonna fucking send you. It's 20 minutes long. Done.
No.
We should be done.
We should be, but we're not. You gotta like cool this in the look. See, you just gotta use your hands. Hope our hands are clean. So
It looks pretty schmack.
it looks pretty good.
Let's get the M&ms.
I don't like how like one side's.
You hold this.
It's fine. I'm just gonna sit on the top.
I'm gonna smush them in.
Okay. Wow, look at that form.
All right. We're gonna let this
There.
sit for a bit, and the next video will be trying it. Okay, folks.
They're done.
They're done. Let's try it. That was too low. They're good. They're a little dry. Well, Rice Krispies, success.
That's it.